Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is going to be a quick video. I am unboxing the Pranamat. I just got this in the mail yesterday and I'm really excited to share it with you guys. I got this for a couple of reasons. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that I use my acupressure mat a lot. I've shared it here before too for various reasons. I think there are tons of benefits, and if something is as natural as this and easy and simple, no plugging anything in, charging anything, it's literally just a mat that you lay on. With something as simple as that can be and having so many benefits, I'm always for it. So I'm sharing the Pranamat, and I got this one because my old acupressure mat is no longer available. I originally got this on Amazon and this specific one is no longer available. So I want to have a link that I can share that goes directly to the product that I'm recommending. And then also I got a lot of requests when I shared the benefits of why I use this. I got a lot of requests on reviewing different brands from Amazon, and I want to be able to do that and also compare it to the Pranamat. So basically this is the top, this is the best one, and then there are a bunch of just different dupes on Amazon, and there's different variations. So those are the kind of reasons that I got this and started working with Pranamat. I do have an affiliate link down below, and I think a code, I hope a code too, I'll double check that and put it on the screen too. And this has been one that I've wanted for so long. I'm very excited about this. So this is the Eco. They have, like I said, a bunch of different variations, different materials, and then they also have different pillows, but the main bread and butter is the mat. And so okay, how is this going to be easiest to open? Oh, it's so cute. Got the purple one. There's a lot of different colors. This is the pillow. There's something in here that's shaking. Ooh, already I can feel a difference in the spikes. So this is the pillow. I'll just show you close-ups. I have a series of videos that I'm gonna do with this. So this is just a quick intro unboxing. So if you wanna learn more and just different benefits, and I'll link things below too, just keep watching and subscribe to my channel. Here is the little tag. So this is the Eco. It's just made with different materials. It's really pretty. I really love it. And then this is the mat. So this is what you will use the most. And this is, I'll compare it actually in just a second. It looks like the same size. So it fits, I don't know, when I'm laying down my low back to all the way up to the top of my head. And it covers a big, large area. You can use acupressure mats on any area of your body. So the main reasons why I use these are I like to use it at night to help me relax. I get super relaxed after probably 20 minutes. I've napped on these before. So how it works is it hurts at first. There's a warm, tingling pain, I guess, tingling sensation, and then you can sink into it and it just becomes this super relaxing. I can't even explain it really. There's like this chart of like the cycle of laying on your Pranamat, but also helps with circulation and things like that. But the biggest testimony that I had a back pain from lifting too heavy or tweaking my back in a certain way, working out, and it had been going on 6 weeks or so. I had tried everything, chiropractor, all of the things, and I gave up, and I'm like, well, I guess I'll just try this. It was my other one, and it worked after just using it for 20 minutes. So first of all, I don't know why I went 6 weeks without even using it, but it worked for that. I don't know if it was fascia or just it released something. So it works for so many things, and that's why we love it. But let me compare quickly. I can already feel this one is a lot more spiky. It's sharper, and this one is kind of old too. It's probably 6-7 years old, so it's not brand new like this one, but it is a little bit more spiky. I'll try to put a close-up of the spikes. Maybe you can see. I will maybe insert to a little clip so I can get even closer. They're very similar, but they are different. This one is more sturdy. This materials, I don't know what this blend is, maybe a linen blend. This one's more of a flimsy, and actually, let's see. The mat itself is a little bit smaller, an inch shorter. It's super hard to share, sorry, when I'm sitting this close. It's like an inch shorter, has the same amount, I think, of spikes, and oh my gosh, I'm a little bit scared. This one you can feel so much pokier right away. Some of the other possible benefits: it relieves muscle tension and pain, reduces stress and anxiety, it relaxes me for sleep, it improves the quality of your sleep, boosts circulation and lymphatic flow, which we're always trying to supports energy flow, reduces inflammation, aids in digestion, and then energizes through foot stimulation, so reflex points and things like that. Not ways that I typically use it for, but I'm very excited. The way that I use mine currently is without a shirt, laying on my back in my bed, and I can lay on that one on the hardwood floor. I don't think I'm going to be able to lay on this hardwood floor with this one. It is very sharp. So I'll put also maybe a clip too of what my back looks like after I've been laying on it for a few minutes. It's super pretty. Just love this so much. Like I said, I have a series of videos coming for acupressure, the Pranamat, and just different benefits, why I upgraded, and all of that. So let me know if you have any questions just so far on my unboxing. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye.